Good morning, I'm Jay of Mancusa Development. I'm a project manager. We are here at J11085, the Taj Mahal. I am happy to say that we are on schedule for an early February completion date. This unique oceanfront property has a main house that is just under 5,000 square feet and an accessory building with a private master suite that is just under 1,200 square feet. The Taj Mahal has a large pool in the backyard and a large dune deck that overlooks the ocean. And today I have Nancy Pugh with us. She is the interior designer of the home, and she's going to go over some of the special features of the house.
This is a great project. I really enjoyed working on it. It is unique. This house has great finishes, high-end tile bathrooms for each suite. The kitchen is big, a lot of room for multiple cooks, especially if you have a family reunion or a bunch of families here. There's room for everybody to be comfortable and feel like you're at a high-end resort.
The Taj Mahal, located in the Whalehead community, will be ready for rentals in the early spring.